for joining me. My name is Damon Warren. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Intech K1 Challenger. It's an inflatable kayak. Heavy duty, puncture resistant, and all that stuff. So let's open this up and see what we got. So there we go. It comes in a nice bag. I like that because that's going to fit the Dragon. And inside this bag will be a paddle, a high output pump, and a carry bag. This one has a seat and a removable skeg, which is a fin, which was highly suggested. So if you're getting an inflatable, you want to make sure it has a skeg because that helps you go straight. If it doesn't have that, it just floats sideways and all kinds of stuff. It's like all right. So it comes in this nice bag right here. Unzipping the bag, and here we go. So the first piece we got on the side here is the pump. You got your standard pump right there. Then we've got the seat. It's got bottom part of the seat, which you inflate, and top part. And then these are the straps. Here's your skeg. My hat is like a Sharks fan. Anyway. So this is the skeg. This is the thing that helps it go straight. So when the water is hitting it from the side, it keeps it going straight. Like that. Very important. If you're looking at a kayak, definitely make sure it has one of those. This is the oar paddle. Here we got the main kayak part. It's got a cargo net up the front here, which is pretty cool. Keep your gear. Sit in the middle here. Oh, this is my first time actually doing an inflatable kayak. It's already got your rope here for the towing. So you got the net in the front and your towing rope. There's actually a lot of room inside here. Like not only because you set the seat up. Okay, so we got this booklet. So you got 4 of these in case you get punctures. So keep those handy. This is a little measurement thing for the inflation. Manual, inflatable kayak. All right, so this is the book right here. So it's the same valve as like on an inflatable bed. So if you've ever used an inflatable bed, it's basically the same valve. All right, so to let y'all know, when you're looking at the kayak and you're thinking to yourself, okay, where do I start inflating it? If you look at the top, this is not number 1. This is number 2, right there. Okay? And look all over the whole thing. Number 1 is inside here. So this is number 1 right here. So you do this one, then you do that. Number 1, number 2. The other thing that is kind of interesting, you see this little mark right here? There's one there, and then there's one right here. Now, that's to let you know how far to inflate.